channel. Today we'll be making Mexican quesadillas. It's a very easy and quick recipe. So before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it so that you don't miss any videos. And let's get started. We'll start by preparing the stuffing for our quesadillas. For this, I have heated oil in a pan. To this, I'm adding the onions. Let them cook for a while. Our onions are now transparent, so we'll add our red and yellow peppers. I'm adding a little bit of salt here so that the vegetables release their moisture and they get cooked well. The peppers are a little tender now, so we'll add our mushrooms and sweet corn. Stir them in. Now we'll add our remaining salt and cracked black pepper. Keep stirring in between and let it cook. The fragrance is so nice and the colors are beautiful. I have cooked it for around 10 minutes and it's ready now. Turn the flame off and now we'll start preparing our quesadillas. For quesadillas, I have heated some butter in a flat skillet. Now take your tortilla. You can take any type, mine is a whole wheat one. Fold it into half and make a crease. Put it in the skillet. We'll fill this half and then fold it over. First, add some salsa. Then grated cheese. Now our delicious stuffing. Spread it a little bit. Some more cheese so that it sticks properly. And then fold it. We'll cook it from one side first. Press it. I'm checking again. And it has cooked from this side. It's time to flip it over. It has cooked so nicely from this side. It's crisp and golden brown, which is perfect. Now we'll cook it from the other side also. I'm checking it from the other side and yeah, it's ready. These yummy vegetarian quesadillas are ready. You can serve them with guacamole, salsa or any dip of your choice. I'm sure you'll love these. Share your experiences with me in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Have fun!